So a few days ago, 80s Child 48 asked, could I make an XOXO bracelet with a buckle and a jig? So here we go. So I've got my PS Cook jig, which is really good. I have about 8 feet of acid purple and about 4 feet of goldenrod. Just done a simple cow's hitch at the bottom, and I've come up through the top of the buckle there. And what I'm going to do is a simple cow's hitch to start with. So I always start on the left, I don't know why. So left cord over the top, right hand cord underneath and up through that hole like that, and pull it nice and tight. Then I'm going to do another cobra weave. So over the top, the other one goes down, behind everything, out the other side, and just pull it up. And I get my goldenrod, find the halfway point, put it behind everything like this, and then pull it up either side. And then pull up the cobra weave like that. Make sure it's nice and tight like that. Then all I'm going to do, get the left hand goldenrod, cross it over like that, and the right hand side, cross it over like that, and then do another cobra weave. Underneath, and you make sure it comes underneath this goldenrod bit here. Always goes underneath. If you go over the top, you'll get it tangled. So you do that, pull it all nice and tight, pull down the goldenrod, cobra weave, make it nice and tight, and then flip your goldenrod cords up like that, and then do another cobra weave. Cross over your cords again, left hand side over there, right hand side over there, do your cobra weave once more, and basically just keep going until you get to the bottom of the weave. Right, so as you can see, I've got to the very bottom. All I'm going to do is snip and singe these bits here, and on the other side I'm going to snip and singe the goldenrod there and there as well, and then we'll be done. So there you go, that's your noughts and crosses bracelet with a buckle made on a jig. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.